All right, today we're doing breakfast shrimp tacos. I've made these before, so check out my other videos. Here's the tortillas. All right, my shrimp was made last night, so I'm gonna just put it on now. Just putting a little butter under it. Those things, all they gotta do is just really be heated up, and they can be heated up while these are on. It's not even on yet. Now we're gonna turn it on. That's on. We won't even have to turn it up by the time we get to the eggs. Let that roll. Pretty good. Not really brown on the edges, but let's see if they lift. Kind of soft. Not bad, not bad. Or a little bit, so they could wait a little longer. I'm being impatient. I'm hungry today. Buttery. All right. Looking really good now. Yeah. They don't have to be that much, but you know, just let them sit on the side until we get shrimp mixed together. Something that's super easy. Use some leftovers. Or you can just cook the shrimp fresh. That's it. Eggs in there. Okay. I kind of like them that way. So, turned off all the burners. I want my cheese to melt a little bit. Put these back on here. Get these loaded up. cheese on these. May not melt a lot just because I've turned the burners off and not a lot of heat residing off of them, but throw it on there. Give it a cover. All right, let's see what we got. Awesome. These inside. Rest up. All right, let's press one up and find out. A little bit of sour cream. And yes, got some hot sauce. Pretty clean. Keep the sugars out. Watch for all the additives if they put additives in there. Try to get the cleanest ones you can. All right. Here we go. Stop being bored with carnivore.